All right, today we're going to go over general maintenance on the Main Clinic Supply Vita-Ox HD7. The only things that we'll need today for this video, I got a pack of the replacement intake filters, and then also it's helpful to have kind of a smaller flathead screwdriver just to help get the intake filter out of the little fitting that's inside there. But first thing we're going to do is remove the battery. So to do that, we just push down on the latch and then slide the battery out the side here, just like that. We'll set that aside. And then you'll notice over here, we're gonna have our particle filter screen. And to remove this, all we need to do is on the bottom, take your finger and lift up on the tab and then pull out with that. So this is our particle filter. This can be run underneath warm soapy water, dried off, and then just put back on the machine. And of course, if you do need to replace this, we do have replacements available as well. And I'll link the products that we're using in the description below to make it easy for you guys to find. So that's the particle filter. We got our intake filter inside here. You'll see there's like a white cotton filter. And just to make it easy, I got a little flathead screwdriver. So I'm just going to get it underneath the filter and pry it out a little bit there. So there is our intake filter. So that one is not reusable. Typically, if you're using this quite frequently, I would recommend replacing it about once a week. We'll get one of our new ones out of our 5-pack here and just take that and reinsert it just like that. And then after our intake filter is in, we'll go ahead and put our particle filter back on the device. So we'll insert it on the top first and then press it down so that way it seats on there just like that. So that is very, very simple maintenance on the Main Clinic Supply Vita-Ox HD7. And then just a couple other kind of maintenance tips. I know there's people out there that are using these every single day. Perfectly fine if you have the battery on the device and you are keeping this charged up because you're constantly using it. So this portion is going to be more for those people who are using it maybe just on occasions, once or every week or every couple weeks. So it's always recommended if you're not going to be using it for quite some time to keep the batteries stored anywhere between about 30 to 80%. That way you're not keeping them fully discharged or fully charged. Over time that can damage the battery and just make them not last as long. And this goes across any portable concentrator. But specifically for those people who are maybe using them on trips or whatever it may be, always make sure you're storing your batteries right around 50%, or that range right around 50% is perfectly fine. Just because, again, storing them either fully charged or fully discharged can cause issues with battery longevity and also the batteries possibly not charging once you go to use them. So just another quick little tip for those people that are needing that. But otherwise, as far as the Vita-Ox HD7, that is the very, very simple maintenance on this device. Again, if you do have any other questions in regards to the Main Clinic Supply Vita-Ox HD7, please give us a call here at Main Clinic Supply.